तो हेलो दोस्तों, आज हम करेंगे एक्सरसाइज नंबर 5 ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज़ का क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, जिसमें हमारा कॉस थीटा दिया हुआ है 7/25 और हमें उसी तरह से बाकी अदर टी रेशियोज़ फाइंड करने हैं, कॉस थीटा, टैन थीटा वगैरह। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई हैव ड्रॉ अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल ABC where B is at 90 degree. Let us suppose this angle is theta. For that, the cos theta is, this is perpendicular, this is base, that is 7, and this is hypotenuse, that is 25 according to question. Because cos theta equals HB by H, which is given as 7/25, so B is 7 and H is. Now by Pythagoras theorem, AC का स्क्वायर इक्वल्स AB का स्क्वायर प्लस BC का स्क्वायर. AC is 25, so it is 25 का स्क्वायर, which is equals to AB is P, so P square, and BC is 7, so 7 square. Now P square equals 25 का स्क्वायर minus 7 square, which is 18 into 32, which is P equals under root 18 into 32, which is equals 9 into 2, 2 into 16, which is equals 3 into 2 into 4, which is equal to 24. So I have to find perpendicular is equals 24. Now for angle theta, sin theta equals P by H, which is 24/25. Tan theta equals P by V, so it is 24/7. Cot theta equals B by P, so it is 7/24. Opposite of sin theta is cosec theta, which is H by P, which is 25/24, and opposite of cos theta is sec theta, which is H by B, that is 25/7. These all are the T ratios of angle theta. Thank you.